This included everything from the initial design phase to the final assembly of the vehicles. The result? A 30% increase in efficiency. This significant improvement not only boosted production rates but also reduced costs and enhanced the overall quality of the vehicles produced. Another example is Boeing. Boeing used AI to design the layout for its new 777X airplane factory. The AI-driven design process allowed Boeing to create a more streamlined and efficient production environment, which was crucial for the complex manufacturing requirements of the 777X. This resulted in a 20% reduction in production time. By cutting down the time it takes to produce each airplane, Boeing can meet customer demands more quickly and efficiently. These examples highlight how AI is revolutionizing the manufacturing industry, making factories smarter, faster, and more efficient than ever before. The future is automated AI and the evolution of factory design. AI is the future of factory design. With the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, factories are becoming smarter and more efficient. AI systems are now capable of managing complex tasks that were once handled by humans, reducing errors and increasing productivity. Engineers are working hand in hand with AI to create seamless operations that can adapt to various production needs. It will continue to revolutionize how factories are built and operated. The integration of AI technology into factory design means that production lines can be more flexible and responsive to changes in demand. This adaptability is crucial in today's fast-paced market, where consumer preferences can shift rapidly. AI-driven factories can quickly reconfigure their operations to meet new requirements, ensuring that they stay competitive. In the future, we can expect to see even more intelligent and efficient factories. These smart factories will leverage advanced robotics and machine learning algorithms to optimize every aspect of production. From supply chain management to quality control, AI will play a pivotal role in ensuring that factories run smoothly and efficiently. These factories will be able to adapt to changing conditions and produce goods faster and cheaper than ever before. The ability to monitor and adjust operations in real time means that factories can minimize downtime and maximize output. This not only leads to cost savings, but also allows for more sustainable manufacturing practices. The future of manufacturing is here, and it is powered by AI. As we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what is possible, AI will remain at the forefront of this transformation, driving efficiency, productivity, and sustainability in the manufacturing sector.